It's a different age. It's a different age, but this is kind of... Oh, sorry, baby. Daggone it. Made it squeak. Poor little one. How old are we? Our eyes are glassy. We are 2.5 weeks old. Poor baby. I can't put you in with a 6-week-old. That's not right. What am I gonna do? See, are you gonna be gentle with the baby, little one? Oh, I don't know about this. But look, it's a one-off. Maybe this dog will stop. Yeah, God, thank you. It'll round it off. We'll have to check in on it. I'll give it a minute. No begging. What are we gonna do? We don't have anybody for her. Blondie Poo. Not my happy bladder. Here's my happy bladder dog. If I touch her, she pees. Good girl. It's because they almost killed her one time. I spent over $2,000 at the vet to keep her alive. And she brought Parvo home from the vet. What do you think of the new edition? It's too much? You're still doing baby. It's too much, isn't it? Alright, I'll stop. Is that better? You're not ready for a dog that old, right, Blondie? Hey, good girl. Blondie Poo. I love it, you. Blondie Poo. I love it, you. Poor puppy Poo lost all 5 of its playmates today. And then the Miss Tiffy, she's about to pop. Poor baby. Gotta find a place for her to pop. Maybe in here. Get it?